Why is it white cow?
Yeah, why did you choose white cow?
Moo!
Just because you like to move?
Yeah.
Okay.
During my time at Red Forest, I scouted a skunk. I did not know what to do. I could not think of any ideas. I tried so hard, but I just could not think. But one thing I thought was that the tribe was coming soon, so I had to hurry as fast as I can. Also, I knew it was getting dark, and I did not know how to get the smell away from me. All of a sudden, I remembered the wild berries, so I took them and spread them all over me as fast as I could. After a little bit, the smell was gone. I was so happy. Then morning came, and I was safe in my fort.
White cow got sprayed with a skunk. Too bad you didn't have any milk on you to try. That's right. The berries I thought was extremely innovative. Excellent job, White cow.